What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be teaching you guys the Fresnel lens and the magnifying glass. So we're doing solar ignition. You're probably going to need a pair of sunglasses for this because it can hurt your eyes pretty good. I'll also be showing you guys how to make a simple bird's nest to put your ember into and get your coal going, get your fire started. So as you can see here, we just got some dead grass and I've made a little bird ball already. I got some bark that I'm going to show you how to make into a little bird ball. We'll do that in a minute. We'll start off with, because I've already got one made up, we'll start off with the magnifying glass and we'll get our bird's nest started. So all we're just going to do is get our grass and then just wrap it around itself until you get like a bird's nest shape. Keep your thumbs in the inside there. Right, we get him and then we get some more grass and we move all this stuff here and we're going to grind him up. We want to break this down into a fine tinder. So we're just going to do this. Probably don't drop it all over the ground like I just done, because otherwise you're just going to waste it all. The ground is quite wet here at the moment, so this is why I'm doing it up on a stump. So just a heads up if you're working in a wet environment, guys. But I just keep working it till it's broken down. As you can see, we've turned that big lump of grass into a fine little mess of tinder there. So we're just going to stick that in our bird's nest, right in the middle. We'll get all this little stuff here. This stuff's the better stuff, I reckon. And then we'll get to work on our, I'll leave him up there for you. We'll get to work on our little bird ball. So I've done the same thing with the grass, but instead I've got it and rolled it into a little ball. So this fine stuff, I've rolled it up into this little messy bundle of fun. And then we're just going to get our magnifying glass. I've got a broken one here, but you could probably get a good one that's not so broken, but this will do the same job. Just going to get him in there. And find where our sun is. And this is the part that we need our sunnies for, because it's quite bright, guys. It can really hurt your eyes. So you can see there that we're getting the heat into it. Now we're going to want to do this for a little bit and get a decent coal going. Now I like to gently blow it on it. I feel that it just makes the ember grow a bit better. You'll get a more solid result. I just do it very, very gently though, guys. And then when you're confident that it's hot enough and got enough of an ember, like that, then we're good to go into our little bundle here. Put him in our bundle, fold him over and just gently blow into it. Then once we start getting some heat in there, we can really give it to a there we go. Look at that, come out the bottom on us. There you have it. Oh, burnies. Don't burn yourselves, guys. That's probably the worst thing you want to do. As you can see, quite easy to do. You've got instant fire just from some solar ignition.